Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the enhanced version of GTA 5 for free on PC. So, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the Steam app here, and we make sure that you already have GTA 5 on your Steam library. And then, if you already have GTA 5 on your library, you will already get the enhanced version for free automatically, so you will not need to buy anything. So whether you have the GTA 5 on Steam or on Epic Games or any other software, you will get the enhanced version for free. You will not need to pay for anything. All you need to do is just update GTA 5 and it will automatically give you the enhanced version. So this will include enhanced graphics, enhance everything, gameplay, and new content, new missions, and a lot of different things. And yeah, that is it. That is how you get the GTA 5 enhanced version on PC. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.